When I was much younger, I thought that I would be married, I'd have kids, you know, by the time I was 30.
You need to go on a date. Duty dating for practice.
That is the saddest thing I think I've ever heard. I think that you're a really good actor.
I'm so glad I met you. I think you're totally refreshing.
What is wrong with me?
If there's nothing wrong with you, Nora, you just go out with the wrong people.
I could fix you up. No.
Pretty funny that our moms set us up.
You don't know the irony behind it.
You have had some very nice boyfriends.
But that was college.
Nora works in a hotel.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
No. Right.
Hi. You're kind of pretty.
Nora, this is Julien.
What are you doing?
Convincing you to stay.
I'm glad you're here. One more minute and we would have missed each other.
I'm not looking for anything.
Like what?
Trouble.
I'm no trouble.
Just don't sleep with him on the first date.
Oh, no. I don't think it's like that.
I had a nice time with you last night.
You know, Nora, I'm leaving tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Come with me. Come to see Paris.
We've only known each other for a couple of days. I can't just pretend that everything will just magically work itself out.
I have to know so I can understand your insanity. I'm going totally crazy.
I can tell you things about your life.
Huh? I quit my job and I went to a witch doctor. We need a small little hotel in the middle of town.
I hope you find happiness.
A penis?
Yes.
I'm sorry, Audrey.
Don't be ridiculous. We're in Paris. We're gonna find Julian.
We're so crazy for doing this.
I hope I'm not bothering you.
Your mother, she was ashamed of me.
The old lady thought I was her granddaughter. That kind of thing only happens to you, Nora.
What do you do in Paris?
Just looking. Are all French guys like this?
Like what?
Passionate, interested, but kind of like dogs, too.
I don't think so. No.
Some people want magic. I think you are one of those people.